back to the channel. Today I picked up some goodies from my mom's house. That's where I go and get my stuff, all my car parts sent to, because it's easier to go pick it up over there because I have a small little box here. And since y'all saw what I was getting out downstairs were the Z32 big brake kits. So if you guys have a clue what this is, drop a comment down below. I really needed this. It's taken me a while to get all the brake parts to do the conversion from a 4-lug to a 5-lug with the big brake kit. So today we'll be unboxing this package. What I got was the GKtech conversion line from the S13 to the Z32. Funny story, dude. I accidentally ordered the 5-lug and then the conversion brake lines, and it was about almost like $500. The conversion brake line from GKtech was like $130. The 5-lugs were like almost $400. So I tried to cancel both of them because I didn't want them at this time. But I mean, fuck, dude. At least I got one of them, and it's alright. I mean, later on I will be getting the 5-lugs because I need that to complete the entire swap, and then after that I'll be looking for some wheels. I think right now I'm looking for like some 350Z wheels, like the Ray ones, the Ray Forge ones, like off of the like 07s, 08s, 06s I want to say. So anyways, I got the package open, and let's take a look. Fucking sick. I need to show Jose. I think he has a different set. I didn't even get a sticker. It's all 4 lines for the rears and the fronts. I have the front big brake kit. Jose has the rears that he's willing to sell me, but all we have to do is rebuild them. Here, let me open these lines up. Sweet. Dude, they even say GKtech on it. That's so sick. You guys can see. GKtech. This is so fucking sick. Pretty much these guys will be going on to these right here. I need to clean them up. When I bought the car, the 240, Jose literally just gave me these. Like, he's such a fucking awesome friend. Get this line. We can, if they thread in perfect. Looks like they're going in nice and smooth. So this is the conversion kit. Basically it goes from the S13 brake line, hard brake line right here, and then it goes into the Z32 calipers from a 300ZX. This motherfucker. Hey, bitch. Thanks, GKtech, the non-sticker having ass, cheating ass, not giving me no sticker with my brake conversion kit.
I think you gotta buy a bigger something in the box.
What do you mean? That shit's fucking expensive. $137. So while I wait for my phone to charge, I'm gonna tell you what we are doing today. Jose's here, by the way. We are gonna be painting those Z32 big brake calipers, but first I need to go find this spray that you spray on them so it can eat or dissolve the paint, so we can put the new paint on there. And we're also watching these niggas. Randy just bought a fucking Supra. One day I will buy, not you, but me, our dream car. No, I'm just playing. Dude, this nigga makes bank, like fucking bank. It's always a 240 day. All right, Jose offered, so we're gonna go in his. We're at our favorite place, Lowe's. What the fuck you looking at, nigga?
You can return it? You know you can try it out and return it.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
30 days.
We are going with, to be honest guys, I'm fucking colorblind, and I think one looks blue and one's purple. But we're going with the metallic purple. And what we're gonna do is get that shit off with this. Oh dude, we didn't get no fucking
gloves.
Fuck it. I ain't no bitch. Jose's the bitch.
That shit burns.
Hey, if it burns, it burns.
I had the aircraft one.
Yeah. That one, that $16 one?
No, but the goo
Oh.
where you brush it on. That shit burns.
See my $3 million garage right there, guys? Fucking that, bro.
Hey, if you ever need 240 parts for free,
Not free.
you can come over here when this nigga ain't here.
They're not free. Motherfuckers.
And he lives in an apartment.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna fucking... We bought this paint remover epoxy, and what it does is gonna remove all this fucking paint off of it once I spray it, but what we need to do is seal up the fucking holes. It sucks ass.
Just try your best.
Yeah. So that's one down. I don't think I need to explain anything to y'all guys. Y'all should be smart enough to do it yourself. I mean, unless y'all need subtitles, I'll leave it down here so y'all can read subtitles. I spent about fucking 40 bucks on all this shit. I'm gonna be hella pissed if it don't work.
It's all about the prep work. Yeah, start reading it after you spray it, right?
I don't care.
Or you can do a time lapse of it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna leave my thing out there. Yo, if you guys live in Texas, those fenders are for sale, like 70 bucks. Those fenders are for 25 bucks. No, you're not. You can't have my side marker. Sorry. DM me at my Instagram at the in the beginning of the video, or I'll have it in the description down below. Also, guys, if you think this is gonna work, drop a comment down below if y'all have ever done anything. So, guys, the fucking process is taking forever. Like, I guess you have to leave it for a couple hours, because, dude, it is taking forever to fucking start chipping off. So me and Jose are gonna go get something to eat. Might have to do this tomorrow. Let's go, guys. It is the next day, and here's an update on the calipers. I mean, I scraped some stuff off right here, and then right there, and then over here. So I'm probably just gonna go buy a wire brush and then just take it all off. If y'all done anything like this before, a different way, I'd like to know how y'all did it. If y'all can let me know down in the comments down below, it'd be pretty cool to see how y'all did it. Or if y'all just went the easier way and just took it to somebody so they can do it. I mean, I guess that's cool, but I don't know. I like to learn things so I can do it myself, so I don't have to waste the money to go do it. I feel like, think about it, and if you're confident enough, you can do it yourself. Like with anything, I mean like anything. I've never done a clutch before. A couple videos before, I did my first clutch, and it was not hard at all. I mean, it could have been easier if I had a lift and stuff, but it was pretty easy. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. It's pretty fast forward and like simple. I've always want to do it myself so I can learn. So next time when it comes to something like that, I have the experience to do it. I mean, I hate asking for help. It's just something I don't like to do, but I know there's things in the world that you're gonna need help with and stuff like, but I like to do it all myself. This is just a cool little project, getting it ready for whenever I switch to the 5-lug hub. I'll be ready to have these badass Z32 calipers on it. I have my front brakes, my front rotors are ready. I'm just slowly getting everything ready for the conversion. Oh yeah, guys, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, because we are almost 700 subscribers, and dude, I did not think I'd get here. Like, I've been doing it for almost 2 years. No, I never thought I'd be at almost 1,000, which is fucking awesome. And I want to keep on going. Eventually, I want this to be like an everyday thing, like just recording, making badass videos. Eventually, I want to start like making my own brand, and like I already have stickers coming out, like the ones on my car. I made all those. It just takes time, man. You can't just give up on your dreams. You've got to keep on pursuing them and get up every time something happens. To be honest, I kind of wish I would have not got my Lexus and went with the car that I should have got. I was gonna get a 350Z, and that was the car I wanted to get to start the YouTube channel off. I just got a Lexus, and then yeah, bad financial mistake. But I mean, it all came down to owning a 240, and dude, it's the best thing that ever happened. I know 240s have a lot of problems, but they're fucking old ass cars. What do you expect? It's awesome owning one. It's so fun, even though they're not fast at all. The stuff that you can do to them, awesome, man. That's why, guys, when I start bringing out my merch, y'all better start fucking copping that shit. Like the hottest of the hot boy merch. Shit, peakers, slaps, shirts. It'd be a big dream to have all that stuff, dude. That's what Inspired Dreams is all about, is achieving your dreams, getting inspired to do your dreams and not to give up. You fall, get back up and try again. It's all about pushing yourself and doing what you really want in life instead of doing this 9 to 5, killing yourself every day. Comment down below what your dreams are, guys, like what y'all want to do. What do y'all pursue in life? What do you want to do? Your dream jobs. I'm gonna cut off the camera right now, guys, so I can finish up, but I will do the process of painting the caliper. Alright guys, so I got them as clean as I possibly can. Now we're gonna get it ready. We're gonna wipe it down with some alcohol and start getting ready to prep it up for this fucking sick ass color, dude. Look at that. I think this is such a fucking, can you guys see it? There you go. This is such a fucking dope color. One thing that I forgot is I need to go get rubbing alcohol so I can get the surface as clean as possible, so we won't have any little specks or anything like that.
5 hours later.
Oh, get heavy later.
Oh guys, look how ghetto we are. This is how we get shit done. Rip it and then tape it. I am.
I know.
Bitch, move! Look at that shit, guys. That's some ghetto ass shit. Fucking $1 million paint booth out here. Let me take y'all to my $1 million garage. Hey, what the fuck y'all doing? Damn, look at that. All we gotta do is let it dry, then clean up the Nissan, and then it should be fucking cool. The reason why you can't see it as good is because the sun's going down, but once we're done, we'll just put them on the counter over there, and then we'll do some cinematics and some slow-mos of done. We got it right here. I don't know if y'all can see, but you probably can't. Maybe if Jose brought his fucking light over here, you can see the purple. It looks black, but it really isn't in person. It's actually like a fucking dark-ass purple. Go. Oh yeah, it does, right? That dark purple. What is up, guys? I just got back from eating with Jose at Sonic. All we did was just eat there, watch some initial D. I basically just finished the last coat on the last caliper. Right now, I'm shaving down the letters right now to have that silver look on the letters. I like it like that. Looks a-okay. I think I did a really good job. What is up, guys? Dude, I've been going day by day. Yesterday I was supposed to finish the vlog, but I didn't. But calipers are right here, and I did talk about stickers that I just got made. I only made 10 of them. Probably only have 4 left. Everybody's just buying them. That's a good thing. We'll be making more, guys. If you guys would like to support the channel by buying these stickers, I would love that. That would help a lot. That'll bring more car parts. It'd help fix up the 240. I have like so many different types of designs, guys. I want to start slowly bringing them out, seeing if people will buy them. In a few minutes, I'll go show you the ones that I made. They are fucking cool. If you fuck with Naruto, dude, hit that like button. you enjoyed today's video. I'm sorry it took so long each day. Let me show you those stickers that I made. Yeah, pretty dope. These are the holographic Naruto Fire Dream sticker that I made. Dreams work, success. They did really good on them, but I'm gonna go through a few other companies to see how others look. I really like this company that I went through. They're really good. Like I said, if you would like to support the channel and buy some of these stickers, that'd be awesome. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell people about this channel. I'll be making more of these. If you guys would like to see any of the other designs that I'm coming out with, drop a comment down below on some of these stickers. Just hit me on Instagram. I always put my IG at the beginning of the video. I'll also leave it down in the description below. If you really enjoyed this video, again, like it. Let's get to 700 subscribers. We're almost there. We're at 680. We're getting close to 1,000. Thank you for coming so far into the video. It means a lot. Thank y'all for the support. Thank y'all for subscribing and all that good stuff. But yeah, guys, I'll check you guys out in the next video.